for Mr. Robot. Howdy ho there. This is awesome time for me to catch a stream live. I am so glad. Woo! Welcome in, Robot. Glad to see you. FB. Hey, welcome back. Nice to see you. Thank you for being here. I'm glad we get a good time right now for some of the other folks that can't make it to the much earlier streams. Woo!
Had to do it.
Yo, thank you for that Twitchy Prime, man. On a 2-month streak. Hey, salute y saludos, my friend. Thank you so much for that support. Yeah. Hey, and if you have to do it, it's okay. You just gotta do it. I totally get it. Cheers to you, friend. Thank you for that. Folks, we did it. We did it. Grüvee. Woo! All right. FB, dude, thank you so much for giving a tier 1 to Mr. Robot. Woo! Heck yeah. You're too kind, man. Thank you. Mr. Robot, welcome. Welcome to the team as an intern. Huge salute, my friend. Huge salute. Thank you for that. Yes, and thank you for the congrats. We did it. We released. Man, thought it was never gonna happen. Hey, creative. Congrats on the beta release. I appreciate you, friend. Thank you for that. Thank you for all the support, guys. I have to make someone happy. What do you mean? Dude, make yourself happy. Enjoy your work. Wait a second. It's Saturday. Or it's Friday for you, depending on where you are in the world. Yes, and you made me happy for being here, so thanks for being here. I know this is a really weird time. I don't know, honestly don't know how many people are going to be coming by today, but that's okay. Got to keep the stream streak up. I didn't stream this morning, and yeah, wanted to use this time. So it's gonna be a quick stream today, probably like an hour or so. I thought we'd go over some of the feedback people have been giving from Grüvee, and essentially just start writing notes, and doing some of that stuff. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started with that today. Oh, thanks, Mr. Yeah, forgot it is. Yes, my birthday. It was yesterday. I'm gonna leave it up here all weekend. So thanks for that, friend. All right, should we get started? Thank you, FB. I appreciate that. Yeah, it was a good birthday. It was a good time. Just as an FYI, I do have Festify off right now. I just put Spotify on, just doing some lo-fi beats. Just wanna chill, hang out. Yeah, so in case any of you are not in the Discord, I think most of you probably are. Our beta is out. Our beta has fully been launched. Let me hide this real quick. I think I can pull up the numbers to tell you how many people are actively testing Grüvee. How many people we got here. I have to be definitely... I'm going to have to make another database, and that's because now we have actual information in here from people, so I can't be showing that on stream like I was before when we only had test data. So that's one of the tasks for this evening. So in total, for Android, we have 19 people that have signed up and are testing. And we have 8 people on iOS. So pretty good number to start with. 27 people banging on this thing. That's great. Really happy about that. Let's go over here. So we got a little bit of feedback, and if you actually go over to the Discord real quick. Let's head over to the code. You see, we got a lot of feedback in here. A lot of feedback, and memes and things like that. What's the app called? The app's called Grüvee. Grüvee. Hey, Justin. Saludos, my friend. Welcome in. Yemorks. You're on super early. Well, I'm on super late for me and super early for you, my friend. Oh, the one you're taking notes? This is called Bear app. Yep. It's my new note-taking app that I'm using. It's pretty great. How's it going, Yemorks? Nice to see you, man. What's up? Yeah, so we got some good feedback here. I essentially just wrote most of it down. Yeah. Oh, because of YouTube. I see. Oh, or the X. That's what he's talking about. Oh. Yeah. Interesting. Yeah. So essentially, the stream is gonna be like logging bugs, setting up our GitHub to get this stuff. Just kind of logging notes and things like that. So I thought we'd start off by just going through the Discord to see if we missed anything. I think I mostly got everything, but just in case, let's take a little look-see, shall we? All right. Okay, so I think it was around here. Yep, okay. So around this point, so the first bug that we came was add song search by name. This is more of a feature request. I'm gonna kind of tag these things. And then playlist picture editable by user, also more of a feature request. This is more like this should be in there before the app fully launches, but you know, I'm just putting feature requests. This is a bug. Adding padding, yeah, you can actually see right here. Dark Dev was talking about that. On Android, the padding for the ad comments was real poopy. You're doing good? Awesome, man. I'm glad. I am glad. Android bug. Ladybug. Yeah? Nice. I like it. We'll start using emojis. Profile images aren't coming through. Oh, yeah. Dude, that's a weird one. I mean, unless people don't have profile images, but the search engine thing we're using, Algolia, actually doesn't seem to have, is not picking up any profile images for our users. This is a backend bug then. So we'll have to do some checking on that to make sure that's working properly. Yeah. And we'll do bug. We'll do the ladybug. Add ability, add members when playlist is already made. I see. Yep. So that's I guess let me just do this first. We'll go through the ones that we currently have and then go through the other ones. This is a feature request as well. Injection on song import check. Oh yeah, so Dragonfleas actually went through and tried to do some like XSS injection and things like that, essentially trying to break our input. This is more of a, I guess, security improvement. Maybe we can make another tag for that. Security improvement. Oh, and autoplay for Android doesn't seem to work. This is Spotify, Android. I think this is a feature. This may or may not be a feature improvement. I'm hoping that there's something in the URL that we can use that would actually allow us to autoplay the songs once you tap into it. People on Android were complaining that when you tap into a song on Grüvee, the app actually, or Spotify doesn't actually start playing the song. You have to go and press play. So yeah, we should look. There might be some sort of like query param that we can add. This is called like auto start or something. So that will be good. Oh, and then yeah, so access denied. What? What you mean, dude? Oh, I guess it doesn't save the picture. Well, that's weird. Okay. Well, let's see what this thing was. I think I remember where it was. Push notifications. Yeah, push notifications. Feature request. This is a big one. This is a biggie. Hey, Dark Dev. Streak is continuing. Yes. Also, name searching, like, we don't need a link. Finally, could you turn down the music a bit? Okay, turn down the music a bit. Yes, I can turn down the music. Yeah, I'm just putting it in the... yeah, hope that's better. I'm just putting it in the list of things that we need to do. So, yeah, thanks for the suggestion. How's it going, friend? We continue the streak. So there was a bug when going from Grüvee to Spotify. That Pocket. Okay, we need to get that. I think it's down the list. So we'll go through that once we get through some more of these dudes and dudettes. Okay, so let's see what we got. Okay. Songs back on Spotify. Okay. The autoplay. Okay. Andrew does an autoplay. Good to know. Oh, we get a something went wrong for the Russian Federation anthem. Okay. So for this one, it was going from Grüvee to Spotify. Link spits out something went wrong. Yep, I got that, Dark Dev. The picture changing, I've also put that down. Those are things already in our pipeline. It's just more now about prioritizing them. Yep, just more about prioritizing them. Yeah, so spinks out the USSR anthem. Seems to be. Yep, something like that. And then what else we got? Oh, Pocket had some good ones on here. Also, add song bottom sheet. The bottom sheet X button is covered by navbar. Whamp. What? Look at that. That's no bueno. That ain't gonna work. Make it play through Grüvee. Nah, that's probably never gonna happen. At least in the foreseeable future. It's always just gonna play through the service provider. I don't want to have a streaming service. I'd rather just have my own service. The service do it for me. If that makes sense. It's much easier. Oh, and seems to be in the Alec, you made it playlist. Awesome. Yeah, makes sense. Okay. YouTube version, yep, not supported yet. Oh, link broken. Oh, that's for the actual sign up. Oh, nice, Dark. Yeah, dude. I hope you have a good work day today, my friend. 7 a.m. Oof, baby. Sorry you gotta work on a Saturday. Okay, yeah, Vinny had one. After logging in, I attempted to create a playlist, but it didn't refresh. Okay, so we might be able to see. Problem with initial login and playlist creation. We'll have to follow up probably on that one. I don't know what that could be. Yeah, another thing we need to add as well is obviously some more like dynamic loading, right? So set up stuff for real-time DB support. This is going to happen in a lot of the different playlists. This is going to happen over time. So we have a lot of work around that thing. Yeah. Oh, and so then the other thing is add track support. Adding track support for playlists. For playlists on a specified platform. Yes, or specific platform. Also makes sense, I guess, right? Well, haven't been outside or work for 1.5 months. Oh, wow. So this is your first day back to work? That actually is probably pretty exciting. Congratulations. Okay. I think we are good to go there. Awesome. So we have a bunch of these things here. Here's some good catches first. Like I was saying on Discord, I'm gonna start going around to different people and asking them for probably like a couple minutes we can talk and get some feedback on Grüvee to see what things do and do not work. For any of you that have been testing Grüvee, I would love to know your thoughts. Your initial like, whoa, this is an app that I'd use every day, or this app is absolute trash and I'd probably only use this once, you know? If you have any feedback, please let me know. The whole goal of this is to try to change this stuff early on so we can appeal to more people. Oh, I see Dark Dev. Okay. Yeah, the schools over here are closed for a while, I think. Probably until at least beginning of July or something. Something along those lines. Support Tidal Music. Oh, Amazon Music, yeah. Okay, cool. I guess let's scrub through some of these and we'll go ahead and start adding in the new ones. I want to also set up our projects properly here in both repos. So we can essentially just start tagging these things. Hey, AVH. What's up? Thank you so much for the follow, my friend. Welcome to the Pixologic team. Glad to have you. This app is called Bear. B-E-A-R. Like the animal. This guy. Come on, man. I guess. Oh, yeah, whatever. We're going to edit this thing. So this is going to be a release probably 1.0. Because we need to do... yeah, this is an enhancement. And we need to actually add this as a... We need to make a task for adding a profile, like a profile view. That's really what the big thing is. It's only for macOS? I believe so. I'm not sure, Dark Dev. You'd have to check it out. Yeah, no worry, Av. I appreciate you being here. Thanks for the follow again. Hope you're having a good day. Or a good evening. Yeah, today I'm going for the chill vibes, and it's going to be like a short-ish stream. So either way, glad to have you lurking around. Thanks for hanging out. This will most likely be connected with an issue to create an overall profile view. Stay tuned. Yeah, I want to scrub through all these issues, see what things are actually valid. Oh, why is the stream streak at 8? What do you mean? Draco, what's up? SQL. I like that name. How come developers like to work on Macs so much? So at least personally for me, Macs are, they have a lot of really great developer tools, and then also they're based off of Unix, which is a nice lower lower system that Mac OS is built on. So the OS in general is just really nice. But you can do a lot of the great stuff on Windows as well. Oh no, Dark Dev, yeah, I get it, but why are you asking? The stream streak, I forgot when it broke. It broke at 80 days. I missed the 81st day. I missed the 81st day, so we had to start over because the stream streak was over. Okay, so rename anything associated with a song to media data. Oh, right. So we're not restricting people to only add songs, but also playlists, albums, YouTube videos if they want. All these are more considered media and not just songs. Yeah, so for this, we want to make sure to I guess this is more pointed towards the code and some spots in the UI. Should do a full sweep of this on mobile. Okay. Release 1.0. Update the comments. Oh, nice. Saying that because Daddy built? No, maybe. No, but for real, at least my work machine, it's great. I've actually really enjoyed working on it. So I was thinking of getting one for school soon. Oh, nice. Congratulations. Congratulations, SQL. Rohit 9711. Thank you for the follow, my friend. Welcome to the team. Glad to have you here. Congrats on getting into or starting your comp sci career. I hope it goes well for you. I would say if Macs are too expensive, sometimes it's not worth the money. If it's a little over your budget, you can find a really great Windows machine as well. Do you have any web app ideas? Currently, no. Dark Dev. This got a ThinkPad. Hey, nice. Yeah, you could always do a Hackintosh as well. It's also a really, really good point. Those are just I consider Hackintoshes very unstable. So if you're not willing to put in the time when things break, I wouldn't get it. I wouldn't make one. Yeah, it's more of like a hobby machine, you know? Oh, support Tidal Music. I've never actually used Tidal. Have any of you used Tidal? Tidal Music? High fidelity music streaming, eh? That's pretty cool. Maybe I'll have to check it out. Maybe we'll have to check it out. Oh, and they have an unofficial API. Oh no, Copley, this is Node. We don't use Node. Oh no. We use Golang. Oh, I love how the reference is 4 years strong. It's actually pretty great. Nice. Pretty sick. So this is a enhancement I don't know how I feel about this one. I'm gonna make a new label here. We'll probably call it like in consideration, or let's do an emoji. Thinking or considering, and we'll add little emoji. Yeah, Dark, that's cool. Yeah, Linux is a good distro as well. Artbath, hey, I'm a software developer major, still just a sophomore. What is GitHub used for? Ooh, congratulations. GitHub, my friend, you're going to become very familiar with GitHub. GitHub is a place for you to keep all of your code remotely. So you don't have to save it all on your computer. It lives in the internet. And you can share it around with other people, collaborate with other people, clone different projects from GitHub, all that fun stuff. It'll be a great portfolio for you. So I would say start getting on GitHub early, my friend. Yeah, Justin, no node. Get out of here. Yeah, thanks, Dark Dev. Git is your friend. It's your friend, not food. Yes, let's grab this thing. So right now we're using Git to store all of our code, but also this is an open source project. Oh, come on, Alec. Get it together, dude. This is an open source project. So we want to try to make things as organized as possible for other people to come look at it, contribute to our project, and as well as use it. Artbath, my friend, thank you for that follow. Welcome to the team. Glad to have you. Yeah, no problem. No problem. Welcome in. Oof, baby, this is the type of stream I'm into right now. Just straight a chillin'. Where'd you go there, buddy? Where'd you go there, buddy? Oh, this is what we were currently working on. Considering. I'm not going to put into a project because we are considering this thing. I don't have a command for socials. I guess I should have one. But I have a Twitter, YouTube, and Discord. Feel free to type in !, Twitter, !, Discord, !. Oh, I guess I have an Instagram too. And one of those too, yeah. Awesome. That is that. Support Google Play. This one is obviously supported. Oh, wait, no. This one is different. This is Google Play. I found out about this the other day when we were streaming, right? Yeah, Google Music. Google Music, eh? This one I was kind of uncertain about. I don't know how many people use Google Music compared to YouTube Music. Google Music users versus YouTube Music users. You know? YouTube Music is replacing Google Play Music's. April 4th, 2019. Yeah. The fucking Google Music. That's what I'm saying. I had no idea what it was. And this was literally a year ago this thing was posted. I think this will also be a consideration. This is an enhancement, a considering and an enhancement. I think getting YouTube Music support first probably makes sense. If we get more people on this bandwagon, we'll implement it. You know, I feel like it's not as advertised as one might think. Hey Fang, sorry. Do you have to wait to approve me until you use the app beta? Are you using iOS or using Android? If you're using iOS, sort of. It's really weird with iOS because oh, okay, yeah. So what I have to do is essentially you give me your device ID and I have to go in and create this certificate, and I have to rebuild with that certificate. I can do that right now if you want though, so you can get access to the app right now. There was a couple people I needed to do that for. I got a couple more. Yeah, why don't we do that while this happens? I'm gonna have to hide my screen for a solid amount of this though, just because like their device IDs and things like that. So yeah, let's do that real quick. I'll get you in there, Fang. Thanks for the heads up. Yes, just do that. You didn't put a full stop. What do you mean, Ami? What full stop? What you talking about there? And then comment on that issue? I don't understand. I don't think I understand. What about Android, Draco? For Android, you can get in immediately. You don't have to be approved, or like you don't have to go through this process that I'm about to do. Yes. So essentially, I'm going to the distribution for iOS app, and inside of there, it lists all the people that I've invited, as well as all the people that have accepted, and all that stuff. And so, what I have to do is when people accept again, I have to go in and grab their IDs for their devices. And then I have to go ahead and essentially put them as part of the certificate that I sign the app with. And then, yeah. And then I can get them into the beta. So just give me 1 minute. There's a lot of sensitive info I can't be showing right now. Not in the App Store. I'm actually doing this through, I'm doing this through Firebase. Firebase actually has a really cool way to distribute apps. Even though this way of distributing apps, I'm not really a fan of. It's kind of shitty. It's kind of annoying. Sorry for my French, but. All right. Yeah. So I'm adding, let's see, I think there's about 4 different UIDs I have to add. So I'm doing that right now. Live with you right here. Welcome to the secret screen. The Google Play issue on GitHub, you responded with no period at the end of it. Joke ruined though. Oh. I almost never do that. You just installed a few minutes ago. Awesome, Justin. I probably got one of your emails then. I will go ahead and get you in there, buddy. Get you in there, my dude. All right, I did one. So Firebase is a basically on-one system. It holds our database, it holds our authentication, it holds our users, it does our analytics, like it literally does everything that we need. So we have an one-stop shop for all this stuff currently, which is really cool. And that's what we're currently using. All right, I got 2 more devices to add here, my friends. The other thing is I could actually do this in a much easier way, but I'm too lazy and I'm just going to do a brute force because F it, man. F it. That's how we do it here, brute force. Didn't you pay like $25 to release an app on the Play Store? Yes, that is correct. You have to pay $25. The cool thing about the Play Store is $25 is $25 is for the lifetime of your Google Play account. For the App Store, you have to pay $100 every year, which is kind of shitty. Not really my favorite thing, but hey, it is what it is, my friends. Okay, so I added all of you. Added the new people. I think I added about 4 new people. Now I need to create a certificate. And I can actually, I think I can show you that part. Let me go to the profiles real quick. I'm going to download this thing. Show in the folder. Get out of here. Get out of Dodge, as they say. Get out of Dodge there. All right. The Firebase console I won't be able to show you these days. I can just show you this screen, but the other ones, yeah, I won't be able to. Hey, Rishit. You look like an Indian. Are you one? I am not. No, I'm actually Armenian. Probably like very similar, Middle Eastern. Sounds good, Feng. Apple. Will you get some money out of this app? Currently, there's no monetization plans. So at this moment, probably not. At this moment, probably not. So I added the devices. Oh, hey, welcome back. Apple stocks. With your experience in React Native, would you recommend it? I'm planning a community stream project for mobile. I'm considering React Native and Xamarin. What are your thoughts? Wait, how are you going to do both? How are you going to do both? Well, so the great part about this is, since I have been streaming this, right? Like, I'm getting support from you all. Like, you all are supporting me. And so the money that we've put in, like you've helped with the stream with subscriptions or donations or whatever, has already been enough. So there's no point for me to try to make money off this app, at least in the current state, right? This is something for all of us to enjoy and hang around with. Oh, considering which one to use, I see. I would say React Native, for sure. React Native is good. React Native is fun. And it's a language that more people are familiar with compared to C#. Yeah. Not saying that it's a bad thing or you shouldn't use it, but from what I've seen, it looks like people are definitely going towards more React Native style. But if you are more familiar with, if you're more familiar with C#, like Xamarin is a pretty solid solution, right? So I've already archived the app, right? So this is an app bundle. And what I need to do, I need to get this thing called the IPA out of this thing. And that's essentially the Apple like product, like the app itself. So I can actually do this thing where I export this thing as an ad hoc app, meaning I can put it on different devices. The problem with ad hoc is it requires every UUID to be associated with it, which is why we create the new signing certificate, right? And so we're actually, let me delete these certificates real quick. Or no, I think we should be okay. Oh, I lied. I did it wrong already. Nah. I have to do manual signing. It's not good. I mean, it's not for everyone. You know, some people love it, some people hate it. I don't remember what's on the screen. Oh, I think this is actually okay. This is okay there, Dan, buddy. Okay. Yeah, that's cool there. Yeah, no problem, Justin. Yeah, React Native is good. It's been fun. I do miss Swift development, I'm not gonna lie. I really do miss it. It's been a while. Yeah. So this takes a couple minutes. So while this builds the archive, we're gonna go ahead and move on back to this thing. So this is the dashboard that I can show you guys of the testers. So this is just the iOS section. So I have it organized in Firebase like this. You can see I have a Discord iOS group, and so everyone who signed up for the iOS version of the app, they're put into this group, so I can keep track of who's who. But I invited 11, 10 have accepted, and 5 have downloaded. So 10 have accepted, I think means that they've downloaded the certificate onto their device. 5 of them have actually downloaded the app. And we're going to come back to that soon. Okay. So this issue is good. Let's move on to the next one. Support Amazon Music. This is kind of that same deal. Like, I don't know, guys. I don't know. You guys, stop. It's gonna hurt big time. I'm in the accepted. Let's go. Nice Fang. I don't know. The only person I know who uses Amazon Music is my dad. Is my dad. Sort of the same as the other ones. We should prioritize the more or the other platforms. Then see if more people are interested in using this. Yep. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I don't have any Amazon related things, right? So it's not like, it's not really useful for me. Yeah, it could be good. It's a music service. It has all the same songs as everything else. Like, that could be pretty cool, right? Okay, cool. Yeah, so this, I actually started working on this already. This is essentially part of, I want to make a new project. So essentially the new project I want to make is a phase 2. Phase 2 here. So this project is going to be beta phase 2. This project will include all the tasks that we plan to get out for the second phase of the beta, which is planned to be launched on... When did I plan to launch this thing? Oh, here it is. Let's go to the code. I don't remember. Apple does everything better. Apple does some pretty good stuff, for sure. Let's go. README. That's where the information is located. Can you make a streaming app using Spotify API? Spotify has an app, or Spotify has an API that will allow you to, I think, play music on your app. I think they do. I'm not sure. Hey, Pocket. Hey, fool. Hey there, other fool. How you doing? Oh, I was looking for the date that I set for this thing. May 3rd. Ish. May 3rd, 2020. Create. You know 3 people that have iPhones? Yeah, I know a lot of people that have iPhones. I count more people. Oh, crap. Forgot to add the template. I can count more people on my hands that I know that are more people that don't have Android devices. Or that have Android devices, excuse me. All right. Let's open this thing. Okay, so we can export this. So we're going to bring this to the desktop. That's going to be right there. And now, all I got to do is go into this thing. And you'll see we have this thing called Grüvee IPA. It's like a beer. You throw it in there. You let it do its thing. And so all the people that were waiting to get access to the beta should now get another email saying, hey, you have access now. Okay, so successfully updated release with new devices in your provisioning profile, and the device owners have been emailed. So Justin and Fang, if you guys are still hanging out, let me know if you get that email. You should be able to download the app now. And so now every other update that we make, you're now part of that group. So you shouldn't have to do that process again. You should just get an email saying a new version is out whenever it comes out. Hey, guy, welcome. Extra thick. Thanks for being here, friends. Yes, got to keep the streak going. Got to keep it going there. I fucked up. I forgot to do this thing. I want to... Wait. Oh, I guess we can just do this. Move issues here when newly added. Reopened. Move pull requests here when none. To do. In progress. And then done. Awesome. Curses Samsung. I have a Huawei. Oh, that's cool. How long does it take to the email? It should be pretty instantaneous. Yeah, it should be pretty quick. No, it's not. Is it not? Did I mess up? Oh no. Oh no. Let me know if it doesn't come within the next couple minutes. Let me know. Anyways, so this is beta phase 2. At least like it came for me almost instantly. That's why I'd say instantaneous. Beta phase 2. So I wanted to actually hook this homeboy up to beta. No? Well, I probably have to refresh. Some old scrappy data. It's old, it's scrappy. Did I... Hello? My project is here. Oh, it's right here. What the? All right, that was weird. We're gonna do beta phase 2 then there, buddy. We're gonna put that in the to-do. Yeah, we already know what's going on here. This is part of the beta phase 2. I was looking for in the recents. Oh. Oops. Thanks. Awesome. Okay. How come these don't have the tags? Let me see the oh, there are the tags. Beautiful. Implement a non-hacky way to sign into user. Nah, it's gonna stay. It's gonna stay the way it is. Ooh, this is probably a release 1.0. This is a bug. We're not considering it, like we should probably fix this. Yeah. Yup. Sounds about right. Clear Algolia search on bottom sheet close. Oh, I think... Is this not fixed? Interesting. Okay, I'm going to try to do it. I'm going to open up the Grüvee. The Grüvee. So if I go here and then clear Algolia search and I press that and I go back. Oh, yeah, it doesn't clear. Damn. Damn, bro. Yeah, it's a bad one. That's not really a bad one. It's actually very much okay. It's really not bad at all. We should just put in release v1 though. Yeah. All right. All right. Refactored use styled components. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, Frame made this one. This is a good one. It can greatly reduce some headaches when writing styles for React Native. It also has the benefit of writing vanilla CSS compared to CSS in an object. I like CSS in an object though. Don't get me wrong now. Don't get me wrong now. That is pretty nifty. That is pretty nifty. This one, I mean, so this one's a... enhancement. Considering. Not really sure about this one yet. Like Pop Dog? What's Pop Dog? Who is Pop Dog? Yeah, I think that's pretty. It probably makes sense. So add the ability to link different social media accounts, allowing easy invitation for friends. Once invited, user could view playlist and choose to join as a member. Include Facebook. Oh, add the ability to link different social media accounts. Okay, so this is non-music accounts. So the only thing about non-music accounts is the fact that, I mean, the only reason why I require a music account is so you have the ability to create a playlist on that music account, right? So if you sign on with Twitter or Facebook or something, then you just won't be able to have an account. I'm in the process of making a movie DB for my regional language. Oh, that's awesome, dude. Nice. Esports pioneer Alexander Garfield has started PopDog, which is developing products and services to help brands and other companies get into esports. Oh, dude, that's sick. Hell yeah. I like that. Lego. Oh, that's so cute. That's cool, man. I like that. I really like that a lot. This is a nice site too. It's not. Oh, yo, that's a wow. I like that hover animation a lot. Doop, doop, doop. It's actually really, really nice. Good job. Ooh. Fancy. I like it. Oh, and you can see in the background it has a little wave. Wow, that's actually really cool. Very nice. Yeah, they look awesome. What the heck? They look great. Very cool. Okay, so for this one, I guess this is more of still considering. And this would be an enhancement. I am not 100% on this one. Because I think it may end up being more work, or not even more work. I think we are going to end up having way too many service providers to hook into. Yeah. Let's start with the first, the first main three and see what people say. Like, would any of you have rather like signed in with Twitter or Spotify or Facebook or anything along those lines compared to like Spotify or your music streaming account? I'm not really sure. Not really sure about that one. Oh, on-auth state changes. Gets fired way too many times. Have a Firebase user created. Make sure the user is logged out device. Select sign in with Spotify. Go through the deep link flow. Check logs to see Redux flow. Oh, we fixed this. Fixed. Yeah, we fixed that. Fixed with our somewhat hacky way. Nice. Lego. Glad to get that one off the plate. I signed in with Facebook. Yeah, but you signed in with Facebook on Spotify. Yeah, I get you. I did the same. I wish I could have changed it, but I see. Okay. Yeah, so maybe it is something else that we should do. I'm trying to get more. We got a little bit more input on it, but I think for now most people are, I'd say, fairly happy with the Spotify, Apple Music, and Google, right? So it'd be Spotify, Google, and Apple. Okay, so sign out a Firebase account if app is fresh installed. So using this library, async storage, we're able to set local storage. The issue is it persists even after app deletion. So we need to figure out a way to properly handle this. Here's the desired scenario. Yeah, I remember I worked on this a little bit ago. Not exactly sure what to do with that, but yeah, this is a definitely desired scenario. Cool. All right. So we bugged that one. Add ability to remove account from Grüvee. I hate it when I can't delete my account from a service I don't want it to use anymore. We should make sure to add this feature at some point. Yeah, this one is definitely a release 1.0 thing. But essentially, if I want to delete my account, I want to delete my account, you know? Hey, Coffee. Hey, by the way, Fang, did you get the email for the beta? Was it okay? Okay. Yeah, this looks alrighty then. We're gonna have to add that eventually. No email? Oh, well, poopy. You haven't received it either? I think I know why. Okay, I think I know why. I have to download my. So it's like you gotta download a new provision after that, and because I think that provision actually. I don't know. I'm not entirely sure. Oh, I forgot to tell you all. The app in App Store Connect, actually, the submission I made got rejected. And I'm almost 100% sure it's because I didn't include the sign in with Apple button. Pretty sure that's why they rejected it. It only had it for Spotify. And I guess for betas, you also need that, which is really annoying. Okay, let me make sure that we got our devices on here. Yeah, okay. I think we should be good. Let me download this again. Let me bring it over here again. Woo. Put that there. Okay, I'm going to try and do this one more time for you friends. Give me 1 second. Yoink. Velsu, hey dude, it's your birthday. Oh yeah, thanks. It was actually yesterday. Replace the logo with your name instead. Yep, that could usually help. Welcome in, friend. Nice to see you. Thank you. I appreciate that. I appreciate it. We're gonna ad hoc this bad boy. We're gonna ad hoc this bad boy. Yep. Manually manage the signing. Hello. Thank you. And we're going to import a new profile here. Oh, I can press download? Download profile? I don't know. Oh. Just in case, import this bad boy. Oh, it's just the same one. All right, we're gonna try it again. I think this should work. I don't really know. I hope it does. This is what I was told I'm supposed to do. I shouldn't have to rebuild, right? Download the provisioning pro and use it to rebuild your app. If you're rebuilding only to update the registered device, don't update the build number or version. So, do they mean rebuild? Like I gotta re-archive it? Add the registered device provisioning profile page. Download the provisioning profile and use it to rebuild your app. I don't think so. I'm not changing any code. I'm just distributing the thing. Should I try? I guess I should try rebuilding it. Maybe. Archive the thing. We'll try archiving it again. I'm not sure. I don't think I have to do this, but. What does mini mean? What do you mean, what does mini mean? What? Oh, Vape Juice Jordan. I see. Yep. We rated him actually the other day. Are you awake? Go to bed? Dude, it's only 9 o'clock. Tomorrow's a later stream. Tomorrow's Saturday. Come on now. Yeah, I got a little bit more time on stream, and then I'm gonna head out. Hi, King. It's nice to see you there, friend. Yeah, let's keep going through this backlog here, eh? matey. Matey. Frost Hunter 3. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Pixologic team. Glad to have you. That's the internet for you, man. It's a place, you know? It's a place sometimes. But sorry that happened. Oh, right. Redesign and implement social button decided. Yeah. Yeah, I was thinking something like this. Like these little circles. Hey, Frost Hunter. How long have you been developer? Professionally, 3 years. I lied. Yeah, no, 3 years. Full forever, 5 years. Yeah. I ordered my chair from Autonomous earlier this month. Oh, yeah, dude. I got my autonomous chair right here, and I got my autonomous desk. Nice call, my dude. Oh, hey, Dark Dev. I'm not playing through Festify today. I'm just playing through regular old Spotify. Regular old. Oh, right, and then the little boxes here. Did you go to college for computer science? No, I actually went to college for information technology or IT. Yeah, this will just be a release 1.0 thing. Preferred platform. What is this thing? What are you? Play this with multiple people. Each contain music item from different platforms. However, this is currently no way to switch between platforms, nor is it clear what the user's preferred platform is. When a user logs in with platform, it's considered. Oh, I see. Yeah. This is a good release 101. This will most likely be a setting in the So this will most likely be a setting in the profile page that we end up creating. Yes. Sounds good, Fang. Oh. Which chair do you have? I have the... Which chair do I have? Which one did I get? I got the new one. This one, Ergo Chair 2. And then I got the Premium XL Smart Desk. Yeah. You have the Ergo Chair 1? Oh, I see. Yeah, no, this one's pretty good. I like it. Yeah. Dude, it's all about the ergonomics, man. If you're sitting as much as I do, it's part of the job. Yes, always. So this will most likely be setting in the profile page that we end up creating. Closing comment. Oh shit! I closed it. I didn't mean to close it. It's meant to comment. Oops. Yeah, I would spend even more money on a chair. But I stand a lot at my desk, so that was kind of my compromise. Yeah, it's worth it. I mean, literally, I work on the computer probably for like 16 hours a day. Yeah. Okay, so button. I forgot about this low priority stuff. Oh, right. This is for the touchable opacity. Yeah, this guy right here. That's fine. That just needs to be. It's a bug, sort of. I just need to change the opacity of it. Add edit action to comments. Yes. Right. We probably want edit comment thing, right? Probably. This will probably be a release 1.0. I've been tagging these. I did good at the beginning of this. Create social offload. I think I can kind of trash this thing. Yeesh. This thing is still archiving. Yeah. We can go ahead and close this. I'm going to close this to make separate issues for each one. Oops. Yep. That is fine. Are you coding for your job right now, or is this personal? This is personal, yeah. This is just for fun. If I'm on Aeron, I'd sit in it all day, yeah. I mean, I was actually talking to my friend about this today. Standing desks, like, for some people, it's just not a thing. Like, they don't feel comfortable in it. They don't like it, you know, that type of deal. And I get it. Like, I could totally understand it. But I've kind of trained myself, like I've made a habit out of it, to stand at least like 3 to 4 hours a day. It's usually more around 3, but try to go for 4 when I work. It helps my back out so much, doing stretches and all that stuff. Yep. That's exactly it. Okay, cool. So we went through all the issues. That thing is still archiving. Nice. I think the next thing we can do is we can actually start adding the issues from, oh, here we go. Let me go ahead and distribute this thing. Hopefully we can do this properly. So manually manage signing. I want my Grüvee. Manage certificates. Allo Walkbot. Yeah, that's fine. Let's do that. We're gonna try it again. Hopefully this works. For you, Fang and Justin. Hope it helps out. I need a standing desk, but I won't pay $451. Yeah, unfortunately, if you want a standing desk, that's pretty much the the area of price you're looking at, depending on what it is. This one has 4 different memory functions in it, and it's their XL series, so it's like a pretty large desktop. Yeah, depending on what you're into. Depending on what you are into. Okay, so we should, like I was saying, we should go ahead and make this thing. Oh, where are you, my friend? Yes, I need to bring Bear over here. Let's bring Bear. Let's get Bear in here. Oh, oh. Okay. So we need to add these things in here. Essentially, we're going to do the same sort of deal. This is going to be a release 1.0. Add ability to search for songs in Grüvee and not post link. We need to be able to search for songs in app for each platform, not necessarily just post a link. I think this will most likely, I don't even think it's going to be a release 1.0 thing. It probably will come after that. That's really not, unless that's something that's holding people back from using the app. That's the only way that I'll be like, okay, we need to do this in release 1.0. But if people are like, it's cool, I'll post the link. They obviously want to keep using the app. And that's fine. That's cool with me. Okay. Next issue. This is, yeah, we should probably do something about this. I don't know if it's necessarily going to be adding the ability to add pictures. So place picture editable by user. Because the thing about this gets into the issue of we have to actually start setting up a whole separate blob collection for images, and I don't necessarily want to deal with that, but it might be good. Might be good. See you guys later. Happy late birthday again, Alec. Hey, Mr. Robot. Saludos, my friend. Thank you for being here. Have a fantastic night or day, whatever time of the day it is for you. Thanks for hanging out. Change design and add ability to update playlist image. Yeah, this has to be done before release 1.0. We should update our default image for playlists and add some customizability to it. I can't spell to it, if possible. Yeah. I've had a bunch of people send me screenshots of like having some sort of gradient or some sort of something along those lines for the background image, and I thought it was actually really cool. So I'm honestly kind of excited to go down that sort of route, but we'll see how it goes. It would be cool if we could add images. Again, I just don't want to do this whole deal of like, we got to start storing all these images and blobs and all that. You know what I mean? Like that's not what I'm into. But again, if it's something that people really want to do, then we'll make it work, right? We'll set that up. We will definitely set that up. Cool. So we're uploading our IPA. So everyone who has registered, I think should be good at this point. Okay. I think we should be good. So if you should be receiving an email now if you have accepted and you've downloaded the permissions for iOS. So definitely let me know if you get that. I'd appreciate it. Yeah. Yeah. Cool. Let's make a quick little bug. This is a boog. Add padding to bottom of add comment item. Add comment input. Frost Hunter, it is. Yeah, it is released. It's currently in beta for both platforms. You can actually check them out over here. Hey, thanks, Justin. See you next time. I think you should be getting an email, so just keep a lookout for that, my friend. Thanks again for hanging out. Have a good night. See ya hopefully tomorrow morning. Yeah, Frost Hunter, it's you can actually access both. If you go there and go to the Grüvee beta channel in Discord, you'll actually see a pinned note that has a link that you can sign up for Android as well. If you're interested in testing it out, I would really appreciate it. I'm looking for any sort of feedback in regards to how you feel the app works, if you like it. We obviously have a lot of iterational stuff to do on it, but would love to have you in there if it's something that you'd be interested in. Awesome. Sounds good, man. Yep. For Android, I don't have to go through that process we just did. Android, you should just be able to access it immediately, which is really nice. The comment input is stuck to the bottom of the app. We should pad it up a bit. Yeah, because Android is better. Yeah, that's what they all say. I don't agree, really. Nah. Submit new issue. All right. Ooh, yeah, this is a back-end issue. It's a boog. It's a booger. It's a booger there. And I also just realized the time. Folks, Matix, hey, how many years have you been programming? Professionally, 3 years. Full-time, and then non-professionally and professionally, 5 years. Yeah. Doing a lot of the codes. Folks, I'm actually gonna start heading out for the evening. Just wanted to come in and say hi, keep the streak going. Thanks for being here. Hope you all enjoyed. I will be here tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. PST, which is 5:30 p.m. UTC time. Don't forget to come hang out with me. We'll be continue on doing this stuff, and yeah, we'll actually start working on some of the phase two fun and fanciness. So yeah, I'm gonna go relax. Gonna go hang out with my roommates and drink some alcoholic beverages. Yeah, thanks for being here, Frost Hunter. I appreciate it. You have a good night as well. Friends, I always like to throw a little raid at the end of the stream. So let's go raid our buddy Do Right. He does some really cool stuff with Python and things along those lines. Oh, actually, hey, how would you guys feel about raiding one of my buddies who is playing some League of Legends to show him some love? He's been trying to get into the streaming game for a bit, and I wanted to give him a little raid. If you guys would be interested in that. He's playing some League of Legends right now. If you're cool with that, I would love to do that. Yeah, let's do that. That would be fun. Don't forget to grab the raid message, my friends. That's Kobe. Woo! Grab that raid message. Make sure you tell him what's up. Let's get groovy. It's kind of late for him. Hopefully it stays on for a bit. But anyways, thanks for hanging out, friends. I will catch you all tomorrow. Remember, 9:30 a.m. PST, 5:30 p.m. UTC time. Thanks for hanging out with me tonight. I'm excited. Phase 2 of the beta coming. Let's do this thing. Enjoy the raid. Show them some love. Peace and love, my friends. Catch you next time.